everyone, welcome to the online classes of St. Xavier's Public School. It's English time, so everyone, please take out your English copy and look very carefully how to write A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so everyone, be ready? Let's start. First, A. Look very carefully. A. Next, I write B. How to write B? Look. B. C. Okay. C. Next, we write D. Next, E. E. Okay. So everyone, keep practicing at your home. Bye bye. Thank you.